Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your MetaMask wallet address on Ethereum, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your MetaMask wallet address on Ethereum, start by opening your MetaMask extension or mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Locate your wallet address at the top of the interface, typically represented as a string of letters and numbers. Click on the address to copy it to your clipboard. Next, open a web browser and navigate to a reliable Ethereum block explorer such as Etherscan. Once on Etherscan, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Paste your copied wallet address into the search bar and press enter. This will direct you to the page associated with your wallet address. Here, you can view various details including your wallet balance, transaction history, and token holdings. Check the transaction history to confirm any transactions that you expect to see. If you recognize the transactions, this confirms that your wallet address is valid and functioning. You can also verify your wallet by sending a small amount of Ethereum to it from another wallet. After sending, check Etherscan again to see if the transaction appears. If it does, your wallet address is verified and ready for use. Remember to keep your wallet address secure and share it only when necessary. Always double-check addresses before sending any cryptocurrency to avoid potential loss. Your MetaMask wallet should now be fully verified on the Ethereum network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.